Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable live translate mute other person's voice on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Now in here, tap on Advanced Intelligence, then tap on Phone. Next, we scroll down to the bottom, and in here, go to the Other Person's section and tap on Mute Other Person's Voice. Tap on the toggle button to switch this off or turn it on. And I said that if this is on, you will only hear a translation of what the other person says. So you will not hear their voice, but rather a translation of what they say. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you instead you want to mute your voice, you can do that too. You go up to the Me section, and in here, you will allow the device to mute your voice, and the other person will only hear a translation of what you say. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.